Move over ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot. Because Google just dropped Jules 2.0, a fully autonomous AI coding agent that doesn't just help you write code, it literally becomes your coding teammate. And here's the craziest part. It's free. The world of software development has been rapidly evolving over the past few years. From early autocomplete tools like IntelliSense to GitHub Copilot to advanced coding copilots powered by GPT models, developers have seen an incredible boost in productivity. But there's always been a limitation. Most AI tools act like assistants, not teammates. They provide suggestions, but they don't take ownership of full tasks. Google's Jules 2.0 changes that equation. It's designed not just to suggest, but to autonomously handle tasks, manage codebases, and collaborate with developers as if it were another team member. And this leap forward has the potential to reshape how coding teams operate. Jules 2.0 is Google's autonomous AI coding agent built directly on Gemini 2.5 Pro, the company's most advanced reasoning model to date. Unlike traditional coding assistants, Jules 2.0 doesn't just wait for you to type a prompt. Instead, it works asynchronously in the background, planning, executing, reviewing, and even updating code without constant supervision. This means you can assign Jules a task, say, adding a new feature, fixing a bug, or setting up a testing environment. And it will work independently, generating high-quality, production-ready code. The more complex the project, the more Jules shines, because it doesn't lose track of dependencies or context the way smaller coding assistants often do. Now let's break down what makes Jules 2.0 different from everything else on the market. Pull request integration. Jules 2.0 integrates natively with GitHub, GitLab, and other version control platforms. It doesn't just commit code. It creates pull requests, follows naming conventions, and adds human-readable explanations. For teams, this makes AI-generated code transparent, reviewable, and trustworthy. AI-powered code reviews. Instead of waiting for a teammate to review your PR, Jules can step in immediately with AI-driven reviews. It checks for logic errors, coding standards, performance optimizations, and even security vulnerabilities. This shortens development cycles dramatically. Environment snapshots. Jules doesn't get lost when switching between projects. It captures the exact state of your environment, dependencies, libraries, configs, so it can jump back in without relearning context. This means no more wasting hours explaining your stack to a coding agent. Real-time task planning. One of Jules's most powerful features is task planning. You can break down a feature request into steps, and Jules will create a structured to-do list, handle them in order, and update you along the way. It's like having a project manager embedded into your AI coder, built-in web search for docs. Unlike static AI models, Jules can browse official documentation in real time. If a new framework version is released or an API changes, Jules doesn't rely on outdated training data. It fetches fresh information, applies it, and cites the sources. Automated testing and debugging. Jules doesn't just write code, it writes tests, runs them, and fixes failing cases. With test-driven workflows, it can catch bugs before they reach production, saving teams massive amounts of time in QA cycles. Deep GitHub integration. Beyond pull requests, Jules can maintain branches, resolve conflicts, update dependencies, and synchronize across repositories. It's designed to be fully compatible with modern CI/CD pipelines, meaning it doesn't just help developers, it fits into enterprise workflows seamlessly. At the heart of Jules 2.0 is Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google's reasoning-first large language model. Unlike older models that focus on predicting the next token, Gemini 2.5 Pro is optimized for planning, multi-step reasoning, and handling deeply contextual tasks. This makes Jules 2.0 not just smart, but reliable. It can reason about project architecture, understand how different files connect, and even anticipate future requirements. When integrated with Google Cloud's developer stack, Jules can scale to massive enterprise applications while remaining accessible for solo developers. Here's where things get interesting. Google has made Jules 2.0 fully free at the entry level. That means individual developers and small teams can access autonomous AI coding power without paying a dime. Free plan includes core features like code completion, PR integration, AI reviews, and limited task automation. Perfect for freelancers, hobbyists, and students. Pro Plan unlocks advanced features such as unlimited background tasks, deeper environment snapshots, and faster priority access. Ultra Plan enterprise-grade support, full cloud integration, extended compliance tools, and priority scaling for large organizations. This tiered system is clever because it allows anyone to experience Jules without commitment, while offering high-value plans for businesses that need more firepower. The implications of Jules 2.0 are huge. For solo developers and indie hackers, you suddenly have access to a free coding teammate that can handle boilerplate, setup, and testing while you focus on creativity. For startups, Jules can reduce time to market by automating repetitive coding tasks and maintaining code quality across small, fast-moving teams. For enterprises, Jules scales with team workflows, integrates with GitHub Enterprise, and provides auditing and compliance support, making it suitable for regulated industries. By lowering the barrier of entry and offering a powerful free tier, Google is positioning Jules as the go-to AI coding agent, not just an alternative to Copilot or ChatGPT, but as a complete shift in how coding is done. Let's compare Jules with existing AI coding tools. GitHub Copilot. Great for inline code suggestions, but limited in handling entire projects autonomously. Jules outshines it with task planning, PR integration, and environment snapshots. ChatGPT with Code Interpreter. Useful for explaining and generating snippets, but lacks direct GitHub integration and asynchronous background execution. Jules fills this gap. OpenAI's dev agents. Still in limited testing, while Jules is live, free, and fully integrated into workflows today. Replit AI, focused on in-browser coding, whereas Jules integrates directly into professional environments and large-scale code bases. The verdict: Jules isn't just keeping pace with competitors, it's leapfrogging them. Imagine these scenarios. A mobile developer asks Jules to implement push notifications across iOS and Android apps. Jules plans the task, integrates Firebase APIs, writes the code, tests it, and submits a PR. A back-end team needs a new authentication flow. Jules sets up OAuth, manages tokens, adds middleware, and even writes unit tests. A startup founder with limited coding skills assigns Jules to handle deployment scripts while focusing on product design. Each of these examples highlights how Jules transforms from an assistant into an autonomous teammate. With Jules 2.0, we're seeing the start of a new era, AI agents as actual co-workers. As models like Gemini 2.5 Pro continue to evolve, we could soon see AI agents capable of end-to-end product delivery, from design to deployment, with humans acting as supervisors rather than line coders. This doesn't mean developers will be replaced. Instead, the role of the developer will shift toward architecture, creativity, and oversight, while routine coding, testing, and integration are automated. Just like cloud computing didn't eliminate sysadmins but transformed their responsibilities, AI will elevate developers to focus on higher-level problem-solving. Just like cloud computing didn't eliminate sysadmins but transformed their responsibilities, AI will elevate developers to focus on higher-level problem-solving. Google Jules 2.0 is more than just another coding assistant. With autonomous task handling, deep GitHub integration, AI-powered reviews, and full project awareness, it represents the future of software development. And the fact that it's free, at least at the entry level, means the barrier to trying it is non-existent. For solo developers, teams, and enterprises alike, Jules 2.0 is poised to be a revolutionary tool. If you're coding in 2025, this is something you'll want in your toolkit. So what do you think? Is Jules 2.0 the ultimate AI teammate, or will it face pushback from developers who prefer more control? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI and coding.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.